How to restore deleted leads. Hello guys, in this video, we will learn how to restore deleted leads in Buopso Lead Management System. As you may already know, leads that are soft deleted can be restored to the pipeline. So let's begin this video by deleting a few leads, and then we will see how to restore them. Let's go to the grid view and select some leads. Now let's click on Delete from the bottom. Please note that if you choose Hard Delete instead of Soft Delete, you will not be able to restore the leads. So, select Soft Delete. Next, enter the number of leads being deleted, which should be equal to the number of leads you selected to delete, and click on Delete. Now, to restore leads, click on the Action button. Note that the Action button is available in all views. Next, select Restore Lead from the drop-down. Here, select the leads you want to restore by ticking the checkboxes and click on Restore. Alongside the Restore button, you can see the Delete button, which is for deleting the leads permanently from the system. Finally, confirm that you want to restore the leads by clicking on Restore. Now you can notice in the lead list that the deleted leads have been restored. That's it for this video. Goodbye until next time.